Hi and welcome back to Top Car Detailing. Well, we're back in the studio today with a brand new Tesla Model 3. Yes, another one. So I think I've detailed about 45 of these up to now, something like that. We've got quite a few on the YouTube channel as well, if you'd like to take a look at them. But with this particular car, we've got quite a bit of work to do. There's a paint correction detail. Yeah, that's right, brand new car as well. But with these particular cars, the paint is very soft indeed. So if you're washing the car incorrectly, or it's been washed, say, at a dealership somewhere or something like that, they can induce marks and swirl marks and that type of thing within the paint. So we'll be having a look at that a bit later on. I suppose you're asking, oh, what's this? What's going on here now? Right, so what we've got is some carbon fibre bits here. These are going to be going on the front bumper a bit later on, and we've also got a custom spoiler for the boot lid. Now with this having quite a bit of paint correction needed, what I'm going to do first of all is we're going to get the wheels off, get it up on the lift. And this is another thing as well, just point out, you have to have special lifting equipment in the studio if you've got one of these cars. So if you're looking to have it detailed, don't hesitate, give me a call. Another thing as well, if you're going to get aftermarket wheels for a car, make sure that you get the right centre bore fitment and also PCD. So in other words, like for a VW, say 5 times 112 stud pattern, that type of thing. And also you make sure that the nuts as well go with the wheels for the sensors. So what we'll do now, we're going to get the wheel arches cleaned up, get that tidied up, get these wheels all dried off and everything, and then we'll get these ceramic coating out the way with. What I do this morning is going to take a look at the boot lid now here and the bonnet on the Tesla Model 3 before we do the paint, start on the paint correction side of things. And then once we've seen that, will give me an idea then what sort of correction work is needed, whether it's a 1 or 2 stage polish. Now considering this is a brand new car, this Tesla Model 3 here, when we move the camera around and we're just looking at the paintwork, you can see all the swirl marks and scratches there, what's going on. So obviously, and the holograms as well. So this straight away tells me we're going to need a 2-stage paint correction on this particular car. Take a look at this here, absolutely horrendous condition. And when we move the lights up and down, you can see all these holograms in the paintwork. Right, so now we've finished all the machine polishing on the fantastic Tesla Model 3 here. So we've got these eyebrow sections for the front, so we're going to have a look at putting these on. Now if you have a look at the back here, not really, there's no solid piece in the middle there for any adhesive to go on, only these very light strips here. So we'll be having a look at that just a bit later, but first of all we'll go around the back of the car, take a look at the spoiler that we should be fitting to the boot lid. Right, this is what I've done now, machine polished everything up here, so that's perfect, the paint, and then we can put this on. So this has got a curvature just at the back here that goes up to the boot lid itself, and then once we put this on, I want to just make sure everything's in the right place here. Underneath there's just tape that holds this on, but we'll be putting some adhesive on as well. So what we'll do now, we'll just mark it off with a bit of tape, and then we'll take it off, and then we'll have a look, and then I've got the exact place where it's got to be fitted. Right, so I'll put some tape around here now, so we know that that segment is going to fit there, perfect. and again here at this side. So what we'll do now, we'll lift it off and then we'll take a look underneath, see what's here. As I say, it's just 3 bands of tape here with adhesive underneath, and then this is going to stick on there. Done with panel wiped it all down here, and then we just take this adhesive tape off. When you're fitting these as well, you've got to make sure that the segments here, there's just a slight lip underneath in case you have to remove these lights at any later point as well. Well, in the morning, polish these up to make sure there's no marks or anything within them before we put any coating on whatsoever. So now all the paint corrections finished on this fantastic Tesla Model 3. We've got the boot spoiler fitted, all polished up, and the eyebrows fitted on the front of the car. So that was done yesterday, so this gives it time to cure as well, and that now is bonded permanently to the paintwork. So what we're going to be doing this morning is coating the car in ceramic coating. So this is going to take quite a bit of time, because once we put the ceramic on, then we put the hydrophobic coating on afterwards as well. So probably about an hour and a half, something like that, maybe a couple of hours to do the job. So I'm going to get set up now, I'll crack on with this, and then we'll be back later with a finished result. As I say, when we're doing paint correction here in the studio, we use quite a variety of different pads as well, and these are just some of them what we've used on the Tesla Model 3 to do the correction work. As I say, lots of swirl marks and holograms in the paintwork in the first place, but certainly got rid of all of them. So let's go and take a look at the car now and see the finished results on this fantastic vehicle. So guys, just take a look round at the Tesla Model 3 here that we've just detailed in our studio. Absolutely fantastic car. As you can see, we've just got the center console here with all the controls on, etc. What we also did as well, treated all the full interior of the vehicle, all the seating, that's got a dye blocker on it, all the dashboard here in a nice matte finish, including the steering wheel there. All the carpets have been treated as well, and they've got a water repellency product put on there, so if anything spills on there, it's not going to stain or anything like that. Now this car's just been freshly coated as well with a ceramic coating, and that, well, when you're closing the door, press the handle like that. As you would probably have seen me in the video, I also fitted the spoiler on the back of the car here too. So if you're buying a Tesla Model 3 or any Tesla and got some body kit features that you want fitting, don't hesitate, give us a call as we can facilitate your car here at Top Car Detailing. But we'll fit that all nice and snug. That's fully bonded to the car boot lid, and also ceramic coated that as well. This particular car as well has got aftermarket wheels on it. We removed all of those, ceramic coated them front and back. Same with the calipers too, very important. Then any brake dust and that type of thing is not going to cause any damage. Plus it's going to make it very easy to wash the wheels afterwards too. Another feature that are fitted for the customer as well is these eyebrows over the bottom lights here in the front bumper. They look quite cool, I think, and also as well these are carbon fibre, so once we got them fitted, those polished them up as well, and they're all ceramic coated like the rest of the vehicle too. As always, what we do as well at Top Car Detailing for our customers' privacy and safety, we always cover the number plates up as well, so they can't be traced back to our customers' vehicles. So that's another facility that we can offer here. Also treated all the plastic trim as well. As I said before, you would have seen all them nasty swirl marks and that in the paintwork. We certainly got rid of all of those doing the machine polishing and turning this car into a complete mirror. Certainly looking at the finish on this fantastic vehicle now, as you can see, it's like a complete mirror. In fact, I bet you could have a shave in this. What do you reckon? As I say, it's always about the finish here, and you can see now the depth of reflections there in the paintwork. If you'd like your car detailed to the highest standard, don't hesitate, give us a call, as that's what we do here at Top Car Detailing. The Tesla, the electric charging point at the back, I like it, how it fits in with the light surrounds as well on these areas. Get this section out here underneath as well. All your charging kit and everything in the front here. First aid and triangle as well. Treated all the plastics as well under the bonnet, so that's all perfectly clean now and looking the business. Well, thanks once again for watching one of our videos on our YouTube channel. As I say, it's always about the finish here, and we certainly turned this fantastic Tesla Model 3 around for one of our customers too. Don't hesitate, give me a call. Check out my website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk. And I'll have to go now, and I'll be back soon with more nice cars. Catch you later.